Good morning, everyone. Today I'll tell you how to use whiteboard in between your class when you are taking your online classes. Sometimes we feel to write on board. So in your phone also you can write in on the whiteboard. First of all, go to the Play Store and download your whiteboard. Okay, then click on open. You can present this whiteboard in between your online class also. Click on start. So this is your whiteboard, friends. In front of you you can use different commands here. This is if you want to add from gallery anything, save, undo, redo, and just a minute. Yeah, this brush button, and this is dusting, and this is the most important thing. You have different type of colors also. So click on it. See friends, we have different type of colors, so I going to choose blue color, and we have different shades also. You can change blue color in different shades. Okay, click on it as you like, and write anything like 2 1 7 4, and you can tell your students. Clear? You can erase also. Okay, and you can write again this thing, or undo. You can use undo also. Getting? Sometimes I'm going to take my maths class, or I'm going to my Hindi class, or any other class, then I'm very used to use this thing, है ना? Like this. If I'm going to tell my students, beta, you have to multiply 2 with 3, so just present your screen and write like this. So 3 to the 6, you can write like this, and you can also multiply the same digits like this, you get same answer. Or if you multiply like this, then again you get your answer same. Clear? You can tell your students also how to write any other letter, like they have any handwriting problem, or if they are doing wrong formation, like mostly students जो है ह wrong डालते हैं हिंदी में, you can write. Clear? So this is our whiteboard. You can change color also, anything. This is for the this boldness. Okay, so if आप जितना bold करना चाहें ना, you can use. And you have your delete button also, so delete this, and you can again, you are able to write anything. So most important thing is this is very interesting, and this whiteboard is very colorful. You can use different type of colors. You can see friends from here, and we have different commands also. Okay, again I'm using that delete command, and I'm going to write thank you, and have a nice day.